Yes.
Am I? You caught me by surprise. You should have told me कि I am supposed to join.
The surprises are always exciting, no?
Arey, we are all in our living rooms listening to you. But amazing cases and amazing understanding. Now, Mayur also has
Thank you, sir.
cases. I also have some cases. So, very good cases. I have one or two more cases about Shironex, but what you presented today was phenomenal. We could get the gist of the case. Ki why that engineer was
Hmm.
frustrated, why he was not settling into the system. So these guys have something which they feel they don't fit into it. They feel the system is not in the order. The
Hmm.
life, the state is not in the order. The case in which I entered was first rubric was order desire for. As you said, your first rubric was, I guess, persevering in
Hmm.
some duties, right?
That was an entry
Yeah,
rubric for
yeah,
me.
yeah, yeah. I had a housewife. She said ki there is nothing in my life is straight. The husband is not doing his job. The children are not behaving in their way they're supposed to be. The house is not functioning what it's supposed to be. It resonated with the feeling of engineering ki how a education system should be. Ki one should understand the basic matters, right?
Hmm.
So they should
Right.
understand the basic matters of the study, just not by heart and then reproduce.
Hmm.
What is the big fallacy of our education system is that
Hmm.
memorize and reproduce. So he wanted
Hmm.
why the person should understand and then be able to apply. Same with
Hmm.
the other lady. She said ki
Hmm.
flattering and buttering will help to get
Hmm.
them promotions. And when they
Hmm.
feel ki these things are not in order. Despite they are
Hmm.
persevering in these
Hmm.
situations where they find their fastidiousness tells them ki this is not right,
Hmm.
they have to do something. But like causticum, they you said they lack brain and the heart, right? So they
Hmm.
lack
Hmm.
that anarchism, they lack that courage to go ahead and fight with the
Hmm.
system. So they are,
So because of being brainless,
yeah,
just sorry to
yes, yes,
interrupt. Because of being brainless, they work on reflexes.
yeah,
Jellyfish works on reflexes.
yes,
That their reactions are there more than response.
right,
If we work by brain, we respond to situations.
yeah,
But they are reacting to situation because of being more reflexive.
right,
They don't think before doing a task at such a great stretch.
true.
So they are not anarchists.
Yes,
Yes.
and then a time comes when they feel jealous around the people. They feel the friends who were with him, they have gone ahead in the life. So there comes the jealousy.
Hmm.
Then there comes the indifference. So as you rightly said, initially there is cheerfulness and
Hmm.
high expectation towards life, the exuberant state. Then their struggle
Hmm.
starts where they don't find things
Hmm.
in order, where they still try to persevere, and then
Hmm.
finally they give up and
Hmm.
their downfall starts. The negativity, the irritability, the anger, the perseverance breaks.
Breaks.
The,
Yes.
the irritability, anger, and frustration starts coming out,
Hmm.
and they become indifferent. So they might
Yes.
think the if we try this remedy in a housewife, it will come very
Hmm.
near to Salix and very near to I think
Hmm.
Sepia. So
Yes.
amazing. I
Hmm.
had a very good insight through your cases, and I hope I'll prescribe this remedy more often now.
Hmm.
So
Yes. Many of you.
yes, yes, मजा आ
Yes.
गया. तो अभी ना
Because the crimes committed out of anger with the system,
yes,
those people can also be covered under this remedy.
yes, yes,
That righteous crime with the righteous anger with the system rather than with the person.
right, true. So we'll
Yes.
be taking ahead with these more cases, and hope people listening today will give us the feedback with more cases, with more prescriptions of
Hmm.
Shironex. So
Yes.
you can add in these cases in your book also. So Pallavi is coming with
Hmm.
a book, and I guess maybe in a few months, and we could have a launch. very soon. So we'll keep you posted and updated. And I guess Mayur should also come live. He has also some understanding of Shironex. So if he's ready, I guess invite him.
Okay. Sir, I have to exit you and
Yes,
then add him.
do that, do that.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
bye.
Yeah.
Hope
Thank you, sir.
yes, we enjoyed
Bye.
your session and you were stunning as usual.
Thank you so much. Bye, sir.
Yeah,
Thanks for supporting.
always.
Yes. Yes. Bye.
Bye bye.
So we will add Dr. Mayuresh Mahajan, the president of HHF. Just hang on because his views are always unique and will give more depth to this remedy. I'm not able to see him. Somebody please call him up and say that I'm searching him over here. Where is Dr. Mayuresh? Please ask him to send me a request because I'm not able to figure him out. I'm not able to see Dr. Mayur. Somebody please call him up and say that I'm wanting to add him. So Mayur, Dr. Mayur, please send me a request to add you. So here he is also joining us and his views on this remedy when I shared with him for the first time, then after a few months he came back with a very deep insight about it. So his way of thinking is always very practical. Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Pallavi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. आप कैसे हैं? हो गई नींद पूरी हो गई? आप क्लिनिक नहीं गए? अरे, you are working very hard and your hard work is going to take this science a very long way.
Yeah. You have done an amazing job. You are doing great, and the remedy exploration is also wonderful, Pallavi. Absolutely wonderful.
Thank you.
I hope
Thank you.
Puronex is reached to the masses now.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me, Pallavi.
So your inputs on Chironex Flickery, how you understand, how you can make others understand in a very easy way, how you put things on platter for others to just eat directly in your way, you can explain it.
Uh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll tell you a case. Okay. 7 minutes ka case, I'll tell you. She would have told, I would have, be prepared for it. Right? Acha. See, there was a case of psoriasis, okay, right leg psoriasis on the soles of the right foot, okay. And so I asked that, of course, case was, there was no adaptation, clear adaptation of the case. So I asked him, what is the thing that you didn't want to go and you are there now? You are not going out for work, unknown means there is a strong conflict between you don't want to go somewhere which you are going helplessly. What is that? He said, you are absolutely right. I am been shifted to a very remote area. I am a commissioner. Sorry, but this is on Facebook, but I won't tell you the name. He was a government officer, and he told me, "Ki doctor, actually, I'm not, happy doing all these jobs. I am a civil engineer by profession. I'm in a government job. I'm pursuing a government job, and actually, the worst thing is what this politicians and there is a pressure, and I'm not able to perform at par freely, and the way they are asking me to do the job is so pathetic, and I'm not at all liking it to do it. So I just told one of the corporator that I don't want to do these things. I just don't want to do whatever you want. So what happened was, I he was shifted to a very remote place. He was having a very beautiful place, lucrative job at a, very good place in a city, and he was being transferred to a remote place. Got it? Because this remedy, what you are talking about, Chironex, he has is a, in the rubric defined. He cannot tolerate injustice. He can go to any levels of defiance. Okay. Now this is a very beautiful remedy, and you have done a very good job, Pallavi. But the essence is he cannot tolerate injustice, and he becomes defiant. And because of this defiance, what happens is he's shifted to a very remote place. This patient, and now whatever he's doing out of his will, anger about his business. We have a rubric, I suppose. Anger business about his anger about his job, or anger business about his. We have a rubric in Chironex. He's whatever he's doing, he's not doing out of his heart. He's doing out of his not out of his heart. He's doing out of his will because he's forced to do so. Yeah, and this is out of injustice, and he goes into the state of defiance. So there are so many movies. I had told you, there are so many movies wherein the government officer or the police officer or the commissioner or the government corporate jobs, the person who has given a big responsibility to pursue a good job at a very good high position, and he is not able to perform freely and at par and rightly because the politicians or some people contradict him doing so. If at all he's a government engineer and he's asked to do a highway, the highway should be very promptly done in any weather conditions. The road should not get damaged. This is the basic funda. So he didn't want to damage that road. He will ask that that's not the exact quotation. I need more money for this, and the corporates are the ones who are the responsible. Say, no, you will have to do the road in such budget. So he refuses to do this, and then he gets transferred into some remote areas. You remember some pictures in police officers. They are transferred to some remote areas because of their. These are very common cases in cases of children's flickery, because there are the combination is right now. I'll put it on. I'll just transfer to you, Pallavi. The combination of rubrics: defined, injustice cannot support, anger about his business, and there are so many rubrics which he's doing out of his will. Actually wanted to go do a very good job, but at the same time he's not getting to do that good job because of that hindrance from the society, hindrance from the political pressures, hindrance from unlawful corrupt people. He can't do his job very easily, and he's been transferred somewhere else. And then you imagine, if I'm a very respected and a very self-made man, and I'm very particular about my morals and idealistic man, and I'm not able to do what I'm doing right now, and he's been transferred to a remote area, what will be he suffering through, or what will be going through? That is the exact feeling of Chironex, and he feels very bad. He feels about it very bad because he doesn't have that this support from the society. And this is what I feel about Chironex. And I got to learn a very good new entry about Chironex as well, Pallavi.
Thank you. Thank you for contributing. Your contributions are always very, very valuable.
Ask the delegates to retrospect the whole remedies, the rubrics, read every rubric. What is the weightage of a rubric? Link it with the Materia Medica, and you have done a a great job with this Insta live homeopathy. We will
Yes.
definitely look into
I think
it.
everyone has enjoyed this
Yeah,
kind of, the interaction which we have in our live sessions, Thursday sessions.
yeah, yeah.
So
Great,
something
great.
similar we could produce here,
Yes,
and
yes,
let's
yes,
see how it
yes,
goes further.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah, welcome.
Now,
Thank you everyone.
you can just,
So,
हाँ मेरे को निकाल सकती है तू बाद में.
हाँ मैं भी निकल रही हूँ, हो गया अपना काम.
हो गया. अच्छा, okay, okay, great, great. चलो, great,
Done. Okay.
great,
Chalo, bye
great.
everyone.
चलो, bye.
Thanks a lot. We'll
Yeah.
continue next Thursday. Bye.
Yes, yes, yes.